Okay, this is a quick, easy video. I'm just going to show you some stuff about these layout tabs on the bottom. The first one would be how to create a new one, which you should already know. You can create a new one by right-clicking on any of them and selecting New Layout. So now you have a layout 4. Otherwise, you can simply just click this arrow and it'll create a new layout. How to rename your layout. You can right click on it and find the rename, and then you can rename it. Another way is just double click on the layout and you'll get into the text right here. I find this to be the easiest way. Just double click it, and so on and so forth. You can also add a layout from a template. So let's say you have created a template, like a construction document template, and you want to just insert it into your layout instead of taking the time to draw it, obviously. You right click on any of the layouts that you already have at the bottom and find this From Template. Click on it. And if you have any saved, they'll be saved here. Otherwise, we're just gonna use one of the ones that AutoCAD already has built in here. I'm gonna use this one. And if you can choose to rename it right away. So I'm gonna say, oh, just kidding, no you can't. But anyway, it created this template, which would really come in handy if you're working at a firm and you have to create a bunch of construction documents. That is how you create a layout from a template. And then deleting layouts is just as easy. You can either just right click and find delete. It's going to ask you if you're sure, because it's a big decision. So you're going to have to say yes or no. Otherwise, if you're already selected, if you've already selected the layout and you're on it, I think you can just hit delete. No, just kidding. You have to right click and hit delete and tell them that you're sure. Another thing is you can copy a layout. So let's say you had that template and you want that template to be on every sheet. You can right click, and if you say move or copy, we're just going to copy it. So I'm going to select it, and then you have to select this box, create a copy, and hit OK. So now we have a copy of that layout.